What's up guys, diving right into it today, putting the flywheel in right now. Let's get into it. So there's a new flywheel going in, got new flywheel bolts, gonna clean it up a little bit before it's done, and yeah, let's get her done. Just trying to get this done as fast as possible. So there's the flywheel installed. For you guys who are kind of using this whole YouTube channel kind of as a tutorial to do the clutch, you have to have the clutch a certain way. It won't go on unless it's in this exact bolt pattern. There's like a slight offset for the bolts, so basically to get this off, these are all 17 mils. Pretty easy to figure that out. You're gonna put a pulley on the crank, or sorry, a socket on the crank, and block it from turning. These are a bunch of Torx. I can't remember the size, but those come up pretty easy. You just gotta get an inverted Torx set, and yeah. So the torque specs for the flywheel on an LSJ, and don't quote me for any other car, but I know for the LSJ it's going to be 39 foot-pounds or 53 Newton meters, and then 25 degrees for the final pass. If you don't understand what the final pass means, there is that after you've done your 39 foot-pounds, you're going to take your torque wrench, or usually better off to use a breaker bar so that you know exactly where you are. Get it 90 degrees or whichever is easier for you, and then you're going to go 25 degrees additionally, if that makes sense. These are torque to yield bolts, so it's recommended you don't reuse them. Everything I've seen online says don't, so yeah, don't reuse them. Here's the pressure plate installed. It's pretty simple. Make sure your clutch alignment tool is in there. These are T10 Torx, or inverted Torx. Make sure you're always doing like a star pattern, so you go from here up to there, over there. Yeah, it's pretty simple. And yeah, once you're done, you can slide that puppy out of there, and you should be good to go. And there's the clutch, all nice and torqued down and ready to go. So while I was putting the clutch disc in and having the alignment tool in there, the first time around when I took it out, the clutch disc wasn't actually aligned with the crank. So what I did is took a little bit of tape and just put it on the end of the alignment tool to help push it up a little bit more, because for some reason the alignment tool that I got was a little bit too small, I guess. I was reading some forums. Apparently this is kind of a common issue because this is a GM performance clutch, but I got it all lined up now, so nothing to worry about, just something to keep in mind if you guys are ever installing this clutch with a stock flywheel. What's up guys? It's a beautiful day, and I got some really big news. Happy to say that the car is finally all together. Well, besides a couple pieces, but let's take a quick look here. Kind of jumped forward in time here a bit. I was in a bit of a rush to get it back together, but here we are, so let's take a look. So there she be, new charger and everything installed. We'll tighten down and ready to go. A couple more finishing touches, you know, I guess I'm gonna get some pliers and pop those back down, but yeah, really excited. The last two things that I need to do are I just need to get the old sway bar link end off here, and the old axle, you know, the old CV joint that's left in there. But yeah, transmission's in there. Everything's looking good, everything's torqued down. Let's take a look at the other side there. I also have to tighten up the sway bar link here too, but yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. So let's take a quick look at the interior too now. I got the other door panel back in, so that's looking really good. Totally freshen the car's look back up. So I grinded off the sway bar link there. So that's all done. Now, just gotta go and take a look at this side. And there she be, brand new one. Looking good, nice and tightened down. Just gotta get a C-clamp so I can press this back down, put the tires on, and it's time to bring her back down. So the car's all done, she's back on the road. Really happy to see it driving again. I'll have a progress video all updated for you guys here soon. Meanwhile, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.